Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from OKX wallet to Binance. So we want to open our Binance app to get the USDT wallet address. So here in the Binance application we have our main dashboard at the bottom right where we have wallets. Tap on it and we want to make sure that we are in the spot. So slide left and select the spot. Then we are going to tap on this USDT and we are going to click on deposit. This will provide our QR code, but we are going to select network. We are going to using the Ethereum. You can choose anyone. We are going to tap on Ethereum, which is the ERC20, and then it gives us the QR code and the alphanumeric code. So we are going to tap on copy. This copies to our clipboard, and now we are going to go OKX wallet. So in our OKX wallet we are going to look for our USDT. We are going to tap on assets. Assets can be found in the bottom right of the screen. Then we are going to click on withdrawal. We are going to click on withdraw crypto, and then here we are going to search for USDT. Of course you can see some other options. We have USDT. We are going to tap in USDT and it asks you for the method, so you can either send it to other OKX users, but in this case we are trying to send it to Binance. We are going to click on chain transfer crypto via network to a wallet or exchange. So right here we are going to paste in the address which we copied from our Binance, and then we are going to select the network. Remember, we choose ERC20, which is the Ethereum your network. You have the minimum amount. Of course you could put the amount you like above the amount. So we are going to also select withdrawal account. So depending on where your funds are, you could choose your funding or your trading account. So we have it here in our funding and we are going to leave it that way. When you actually put all the information, you are going to have the option to submit highlighted, and then you are going to click on submit, verify your transaction, and you are done. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.